Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some baked salmon. Okay, so here I have some salmon that I cut. So I cut it in half. So this is what it look like. It's already washed and it's already clean. Okay, so these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of my complete seasoning. Okay, so you want to make sure that you pat dry your salmon so it doesn't wet. Then I'm gonna add some olive oil. Just gonna add the olive oil all over it like so. You wanna rub it all in. So now I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over on my salmon like so. You want to make sure that all the seasoning, guys, is all covered on your salmon, because you want your salmon to be super flavorful. Okay, and notice I don't add no salt, guys, because sometimes most of these seasoning they come with salt, so that's why I didn't add any salt. So now I'm just gonna take my hand, and you want to just pat all those seasoning. So you see that, guys? That looks so nice, right? This is exactly how you want it. So don't be scared to season it all over. So I have some black pepper corn and I have the grinder, so I'm just gonna add some of my black pepper. That's it, just over a teaspoon. Look at that, guys. That is so perfect. It is nicely seasoning. Look at that. So now I'm gonna flip it over, because you want the other side to season as well. So I'm just gonna carry on with the same process. I'm gonna add some of my olive oil, and I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning that's left. I'm gonna just pat all those seasoning all over on your salmon. Be perfect. I'm just gonna flip it back over. So here I have my baking tray, guys, and make sure you get a large baking tray. Okay, so what I did, I add some baking paper. So now I'm just gonna add some olive oil onto my baking paper like so, and I'm gonna take my brush, and you want to brush it all over, okay, because you don't want your salmon to stick. And I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for 20 minutes. But for the last 5 minutes, you put it on broil, okay? And 170 degrees Celsius. So now I'm gonna take my time and add my salmon. Look at that. Nicely seasoning. I'm telling you, it looks perfect. So good. And as I said, guys, for the last 5 minutes, put your oven on broil. Yes. So around 20 to 25 minutes, roughly. You can even drizzle some more of your olive oil on top, like so. So guys, I just removed my salmon from my oven, and this is what it looks like. It's been in my oven for 20 minutes. I'm telling you, it looks super delicious. My salmon is all plated up, and this is what it looks like. I just decorated with some lemon and lime and parsley. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. You can serve it with some rice, with some salad, you know, whatever you preferred. I hope you guys like this video. Please share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it, okay? So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it, guys, to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it for you guys and tell you what it's like. And I'm telling you, it came out super delicious, so moist. It is perfectly cooked, guys. This recipe is a must try. It is so good. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.